1. Which annotation is a combination of at configuration, enable auto configuration, and at component scan? A. At Spring Boot configuration. B. At Spring Boot application. C. At enable Spring Boot. D. At Spring application. 2. What is the default embedded server in Spring Boot? Jetty. B. Undertow. C. DNetty. 3. Which file is used to externalize configuration in Spring Boot? A. Bootstrap.properties. Springconfig.xml. C. Application.properties. D. Settings.properties. 4. What is the purpose of Spring Boot starters? A. To start the Spring Boot application faster. To provide a set of convenient dependency descriptors. C. To initialize the embedded server. D. To configure logging automatically. 5. Which annotation is used to mark a class as a REST controller in Spring Boot? A. At controller. B. At REST service. C. At REST controller. D. At web controller. 6. What does the at autowired annotation do? A. Creates a new bean instance. B. Performs automatic dependency injection. C. Configures auto restart feature. D. Enables auto configuration. 7. Which Spring Boot actuator endpoint provides health information about the application? A. Actuator info. B. Actuator status. C. Actuator health. D. Actuator metrics. 8. What is the default port for a Spring Boot web application? A. 8000. B. 8080. C. 8888. D. 92. 9. Which annotation is used to define a scheduled task in Spring Boot? A. At async. B. At scheduled. C. Timer. D. Cron. 10. How can you change the default server port in Spring Boot? A. Server.port 9000. B. Spring.port 9000. C. Server.port 9000. D. Application.port 9000. 11. Which annotation is used to handle exceptions globally in Spring Boot? A. At exception handler. B. At controller advice. C. At global exception. D. At error handler. 12. What is the purpose of at request mapping annotation? A. To map HTTP requests to handler methods. B. To request data from the database. C. To map database tables to entities. D. To configure request timeout. 13. Which dependency is required to use Spring Data JPA? A. Spring Boot Starter JDBC. B. Spring Boot Starter Data JPA. C. Spring Boot Starter Hibernate. D. Spring Boot Starter ORM. 14. What does the at entity annotation indicate? A. The class is a Spring component. B. The class is mapped to a database table. C. The class is a REST entity. D. The class handles HTTP entities. 15. Which annotation is used to inject values from properties files? A. At inject. B. At property. C. D. At config. 16. What is the purpose of at transactional annotation? A. To enable caching. B. To manage database transactions. C. To transfer data between layers. D. To transform request data. 17. Which interface should a repository extend to get CRUD operations in Spring Data JPA? A. B. Repository. C. Data repository. D. Base repository. 18. What is the correct way to define a profile-specific properties file? A. Application profile properties. B. Application.properties. C. Application pro properties. D. Spring profile properties. 19. Which annotation marks a method to be executed after the bean is constructed? A. At after construct. B. At post construct. Ethid. D. At bean init. 20. What is the purpose of Spring Boot test annotation? A. To unit test individual components. B. To create an integration test with full application context. C. To test only the web layer. D. To mock Spring Boot dependencies. 21. Which annotation is used to validate request body in Spring Boot? A. At validate. At valid. C. At request validation. D. At body validation. 22. What does at path variable annotation do? A. Extracts values from query parameters. B. Extracts values from the URI path. C. Defines the application path. D. Sets the class path variable. 23. Which scope creates a new bean instance for each HTTP request? A. Singleton. B. Prototype. Request. D. Session. 24. What is the purpose of @qualifier annotation? A. To qualify a bean for production use. B. To specify which bean to inject when multiple candidates exist. C. To define bean quality metrics. D. To qualify methods for async execution. 25. Which annotation enables Spring security in a Spring Boot application? A. It enables security. B. It enable web security. C. At security config. D. At Spring security. 26. What is the default logging framework in Spring Boot? A. B. With logback. C. Java util logging. D. Commons logging. 27. Which HTTP method annotation is idempotent and used for updating resources? A. At post mapping. B. At patch mapping. C. At put mapping. D. At delete mapping. 28. What does the @lazy annotation do? A. Makes the application start slowly. B. Delays bean initialization until first use. C. PU usage. D. Enables lazy loading for JPA entities. 29. Which annotation is used to define a bean in a configuration class? A. At component. Bean. C. At service. D. At autowired. 30. What is the purpose of @conditional on property annotation? A. To define conditional statements in code. B. To create beans based on property values. C. To validate property values. To set conditional property defaults. 31. Which method in JPA repository returns a paginated result? Paged. B. Find all pageable. Paginated. List with pagination. 32. What is the purpose of @enable caching annotation? A. To enable HTTP response caching. B. To enable Spring's cache management capability. To cache static resources. D. To enable database query caching. 33. Which annotation is used to define a custom query in Spring Data JPA? A. At custom query. B. At query. C. At named query. D. Query. 34. What does @response status annotation do? A. Checks the response status from external APIs. B. Sets the HTTP status code for a response. Validates response data. D. Monitors response time. 35. Which Spring Boot feature automatically restarts the application when files change? A. Spring Boot Actuator. B. Spring Boot DevTools. C. Spring Boot Watcher. D. Spring Boot Reload. 36. What is the purpose of @request param annotation? A. To bind request body to a method parameter. B. To bind query parameters to a method parameter. C. To define request timeout parameters. D. To validate request parameters. 37. Which annotation is used to create a singleton bean by default? A. At service. B. At singleton. C. At single. D. At one instance. 38. What does the Spring Boot Starter Actuator dependency provide? A. Database connection pooling. B. production-ready monitoring and management features. C. Automated testing capabilities. D. Security authentication features. 39. Which annotation is used to ignore a field during JSON serialization? E. Ignore. B. At transient. C. At ignore field. At no serialize. 40. What is the purpose of at enable auto configuration annotation? A. To enable manual configuration. B. To automatically configure Spring application based on dependencies. C. To enable configuration validation. To auto-generate configuration files. 41. Which annotation is used to define the primary bean when multiple beans of the same type exist? At main. At default. C. At primary. D. 42. What is the default scope of a Spring bean? A. Prototype. B. Request. Singleton. D. Session. 43. Which annotation is used to read the entire request body? A. At request param. Request body. C. D. At payload. 44. What does that repository annotation indicate? A. The class is a REST controller. B. The class is a data access component. C. The class stores application configuration. D. The class manages file repositories. 45. Which property is used to set the active profile in Spring Boot? A. Dev. B. Spring.prof dev. C. Spring.active dev. Dev. 46. What is the purpose of at mock bean annotation in Spring Boot testing? A. To create a real bean instance. B. To create a mock and add it to the Spring application context. To mock HTTP requests. D. To disable a bean during testing.